Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Phone Telescope Adapter is probably one of the most exciting gadgets for anyone who loves to explore the world around them, whether it's the distant stars in the night sky or the intricate details of wildlife in their backyard. Transforming your smartphone into a powerful optical instrument that opens up a universe of possibilities for observation and discovery, making it an indispensable tool for nature enthusiasts, amateur astronomers, and curious minds alike. Number 5. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit for Smartphones. This lens kit is designed to work with all smartphones, tablets, and laptops, ensuring you can capture stunning photos no matter your device. Expand your field of view by 45% with the wide-angle lens. It's perfect for landscapes, group shots, and selfies, without any dark corners. Get incredibly close to your subjects with the macro lens. It reveals breathtaking details for stunning, super close-up photos. The included LED light provides warm, natural illumination, perfect for darker settings. It features 3 brightness levels to enhance any photo. The secure lens clip ensures your lenses stay in place. Plus, the travel case and lanyard make it easy to take your kit anywhere. Crafted with aircraft-grade aluminum and premium optical glass, these lenses minimize distortions and deliver exceptional clarity for all your photography needs. What we like. This kit offers versatility with both wide-angle and macro lenses, plus an LED light for better shots. If you're looking for a comprehensive mobile photography upgrade that includes essential accessories for various scenarios, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with different types of shots without buying multiple lenses. What people say. This lens kit allows you to take wide-angle photos without sacrificing image quality compared to the standard 0.5x camera. It's extremely easy to use, attaching the lenses to the camera is quick and secure, and you can easily take wide-angle shots or close-up macro photos of small details. The build quality feels very premium and high-end, and it makes photography more convenient and enjoyable. Number 4. 80 by 100 HD Monocular Telescope. Discover incredible detail with our 80 by 100 high-definition monocular. Its powerful magnification and multi-coated lenses bring distant objects into sharp focus, perfect for any outdoor adventure. Enjoy a wide, clear field of view with this exceptional monocular. Its advanced BAK4 prism and green film technology ensure a bright and precise viewing experience, no matter where you are. Designed for the adventurer in you, this monocular is ideal for all your outdoor pursuits. From bird watching to hiking, it provides an amazing visual experience for every exploration. Capture stunning images with high contrast and resolution. The fully multi-coated lens and built-in low-light vision allow you to see clearly, even when the light fades. This monocular is comfortable for all users, including those who wear glasses. It also comes with a smartphone adapter, making it easy to capture and share your discoveries. Built with precision and durability in mind, this compact monocular is ready for any journey. Take it with you on all your travels and explorations. What we like. With its powerful 80x magnification and large 100mm objective lens, this monocular provides incredible detail for distant subjects. If you are an avid bird watcher or wildlife enthusiast who needs to see far-off details clearly, even in lower light conditions, this is the tool for you. It offers an amazing visual experience for outdoor exploration. What people say. The focus is quick and sharp for distance objects. I used it both for sighting at long range and using as a telephoto lens on my iPhone. The clarity and zoom of the product was just as good, if not better than our binoculars, and much easier to use. With both adjustment dials, I could clearly hone in on anything we wanted to see. The clarity and magnification capabilities of this monocular telescope are truly impressive, allowing me to explore the world around me in incredible detail. The high-powered lens delivers sharp, vibrant images, and the 80x magnification provides a close-up view that I never thought possible with a smartphone. Number 3. Tridaptor Universal Phone Scope Adapter. Introducing a revolutionary 3-axis design for precise alignment. It allows for up-down, left-right, and forward-backward adjustments, ensuring your phone camera perfectly matches the eyepiece for stunning shots. The Z-axis adjustment helps achieve the correct eye relief. This allows you to capture the clearest images and videos of distant objects like never before. Crafted from rigid aluminum alloy, this adapter is built to last. It holds your phone securely and perpendicularly, maximizing stability and minimizing shake. Engineered for high precision, it offers razor-sharp alignment with your lens. Easy-to-reach knobs allow for stable and accurate adjustments, keeping everything firmly in place. This versatile adapter fits most smartphones and eyepieces from various brands. You won't need to buy new adapters when you upgrade your devices. Included is a Bluetooth remote for shooting without touching your phone. This prevents shaky photos and makes capturing moments effortless. What we like. This adapter features a revolutionary 3-axis XYZ adjustment for incredibly precise alignment with your eyepiece. If you demand stability and the highest precision for digiscoping, especially for celestial objects or distant wildlife, and want a durable, all-metal build that won't sag, this is the superior option. It ensures you capture the clearest images possible. What people say. Works great. Very stable. Very adjustable. The points at which it grabs my phone are far away from the buttons. Good design. Went on my spotting scope easily and it took me about 2 minutes to put the phone on and get a good picture. The Bluetooth remote works great, never have to leave the bench, just push the button and it will take a picture or video. This is a great product and very well made. Worth every penny, easy to use, holds your phone and whatever viewing device you're using firmly so you don't wind up dropping or breaking anything. This device locks in place and stays where you put it. Easy to set up and fine-tune the alignment of the phone with the viewing device. Machine quality components that are accurate and very easy to use. Number 2. Universal Telescope Phone Adapter. Unlock the power of your optical devices. This adapter seamlessly connects your smartphone, letting you capture stunning images and videos like never before. Experience effortless setup with our new one-piece design. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly easy to install, store, and carry. Your phone is protected with a soft silicone grip that won't scratch or damage your device. It securely holds your phone without pressing any buttons. Designed to fit almost all smartphones and optical equipment, from telescopes and microscopes to binoculars and monoculars. It accommodates a wide range of eyepiece and phone sizes. Built to last with a durable frame and metal parts, it features a secure locking mechanism to keep your eyepiece firmly in place. Enjoy stable, shake-free viewing and recording. You'll receive the adapter, multiple EVA spacers for a perfect fit, and our 12-month warranty for peace of mind. What we like. This adapter boasts a new one-piece design that is exceptionally lightweight and easy to use. If you prioritize simplicity, portability, and a secure, non-damaging grip for your phone and eyepiece, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for casual users who want a hassle-free way to connect their phone to various optical devices. What people say. The adapter holds the iPhone securely and allows for easy alignment of the camera lens. The adapter sits firmly on the eyepiece and with a small bungee cord to secure the opposite eyepiece side as a counterweight, everything was very stable. The design is unique and makes the process so easy. This is my go-to tool whenever using my smartphone for capturing images on my telescope. Number 1. Gskyer 70mm AZ Mount Astronomical Refracting Telescope. Embark on an incredible journey through the night sky. This telescope is designed to bring the wonders of the universe closer to you. Experience breathtaking images with its fully coated optics and high transmission lens. It's perfect for observing celestial bodies like the moon and stars. Discover detailed views with interchangeable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens that triples magnification. Locating your targets is made simple with the included finder scope. Easily capture stunning celestial images and share your discoveries with the included smartphone adapter and wireless remote. Explore the world from your screen. Take your adventures anywhere with its adjustable tripod and convenient carry bag. It's designed for effortless setup, storage, and travel. Ideal for beginners and aspiring astronomers, this telescope offers a user-friendly experience. Start your exploration of the universe with confidence. What we like. This telescope offers superior optics with a 70mm aperture and comes with a phone adapter and a convenient travel bag. If you are a beginner or an amateur astronomer looking for an easy-to-use, portable telescope to explore the night sky and capture images, this is a fantastic starting point. It makes stargazing and astrophotography accessible. What people say. The clarity honestly surprised me because you can really see the moon and stars with solid detail. It comes with different eyepieces and lenses and a stable and adjustable tripod. The smartphone adapter is a great bonus. The optics are clear and sharp, making it easy to view the moon, planets. Some other object might be more difficult, but regardless you get a good view. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.